Hey everybody, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2020 R-Pod 195 travel trailer by Forestriver. This is a brand new model for the R-Pod lineup. We're going to take a few minutes, walk you around the outside, inside of the coach so you can get a good look at this new model. A lot of people have been excited waiting for this unit to come out. This is the first R-Pod model to have a dry bath and a walk-around queen bed in the coach, where most of them have a sideways bed. Again, be sure to check out couchesrvnation.com, one of the largest internet wholesale dealers in the country. Feel free to give us a call. We'll save you a lot of money on a new RV. Toll-free number 888-417-8299. All right, we are now up inside this new R-Pod 195. And you can see here, looking toward the front of the coach, it has a walk-around queen bed. First R-Pod model to have the walk-around queen bed. On each side of the bed is a little hanging closet. You have a little flat top area above to set things, and also beside the bed to set things. Electric outlet down there. It also has the inverter switch down there. This one was ordered with the solar panel system on it. That is an available option when you're ordering the coach. You can see here plenty of room to walk around the bed of the R-Pod. TV on a swing arm here, so it will swing around so you can watch it from the dinette. The radio controls up here and indoor-outdoor speaker controls, along with your TV antenna booster and cable satellite outlet there. Electric outlet on this side of the bed. You can see the dinette table there, along with the little piece to make the dinette into a bed if you wanted to make it into a bed. Little switch on the side of the cabinet there is the light switch for the inside of the cabinets. Both windows on both sides of the bed do slide open. Now we're looking toward the rear of the coach, and there you can see your U-shaped dinette. I have the table out of the way just for video purposes, but there is a table again that you've seen on the bed there that goes there. Now the ends of that little U-shaped section, those little cushions come off. There's a little bit of storage underneath of those, but the slide out actually slides in to the end of those cushions there. So there's still room to walk in and out of the coach with the slide out closed, and also get in and out of the bathroom if the slide out was closed. So if you're driving down the road, needed to stop at a rest area, you can do so. Overhead cabinets up above here. They have the little shock system on them to hold the doors up. Also have the little nicer Euro hinges on the cabinetry. Just gives it a little cleaner look. Looking toward the rear of the coach, you have the kitchen in the back. Bathroom over here. On the side of the bathroom wall is your monitor panel, thermostat for the air conditioner and furnace, along with the water pump and water heater on propane switch, and a bathroom light switch also. The water heater is also electric, which does flip on outside. Now, into the bathroom area here, you actually have a dry bath, where a lot of the R-Pods are wet baths. So you have a little bit larger shower area here. Has the ABS tub surround to protect the wall. Skylight up above, pull across curtain. It's kind of nice, little curtains in a track, so it functions pretty well. Foot flush toilet. There's also a turbo exhaust fan here in the ceiling. And there's a little bit of storage underneath the here. Traditional medicine cabinet. And you have a little bit of storage down beside the toilet. The bathroom door does have an actual lock on it. Again, looking back toward the rear of the coach, the optional convection microwave, the furnace down there, 3 drawers with full extending ball bearing drawer guides, little cabinet beside there, 2-burner gas cooktop, undermount stainless sink, high-rise faucet, big window that opens up across the rear of the coach. Has a stove exhaust with built-in light and fan there. Overhead cabinets. Now over here on the right, which is also part of the slide out, is a very large adjustable shelf pantry. So that actually is part of the slide. So when you push a button, that's going to come in and out. But those little shelves can be adjusted for height. Don't forget, guys, to like, share, and subscribe if you are interested in keeping up with more of my videos. Toll-free number to the store, 888-417-8299, extension 203. Here on the side of the bathroom wall, basically, as you come into the coach, you got little coat hooks, but you also have your awning in and out button, slide out in and out button, awning light button, porch light button, and interior light button. And this unit, again, was ordered with the optional solar package. So this has a 110-watt solar panel on it, along with a 1,000-watt inverter in it. And you can kind of see what it looks like there. Down below, the little pet-friendly bowls there, your propane leak detector, electric box with your breakers and fuses. And you have your 6 cubic foot gas and electric Dometic refrigerator. So this again is a little bit bigger than what's found on a lot of the other R-Pod models. So you have a more traditional propane electric refrigerator here and freezer. Now back in behind this little section here is another little table that's got a little cubby built in there. So it's got another little table there you can slide in and out, take in and out of the coach. Again, guys, Couches RV Nation, one of the largest internet wholesale dealers in the country. Be sure to check us out. We'll definitely save you a ton of money on a new RV. Toll-free number, 888-417-8299. Be sure to give us a call. Again, we're going to save you a lot of money if you're interested in one of these new RVs. The Rpod 195. Thanks for checking us out, guys. CouchesRVNation.com. All right, guys, we are now on the outside of this new 2020 Rpod 195. We're going to check out the outside in a little better detail here. And you can see traditional look on the outside as far as it's the gray fiberglass, same graphics package, has the same traditional rounded shape as the other Rpod models on the front section only. Diamond plate across the bottom section there, your propane hookup still there for a portable grill. Power jack on the front, 2-inch ball, safety chain, 7-way Bargman plug. Camper does have brakes, single 20-pound propane tank, and room for 2 batteries to go on the front. So that's all pretty much what you're used to seeing on the Rpod. Pass-through storage across the front of this thing, pretty good size for a smaller RV like this. You can see your detachable power cord and a couple crank handles there. Unit has a scissor jack on all 4 corners, spray port hose there on the side, LED running gear lights. So a lot of the similarities on the other models. Now where it differs here is going to be the fact that you have a traditional power awning. that is found on bigger RVs. But basically, to make this model the way they had to make it, they had to flatten out the roof a little bit more to make the rear end a little bit larger. The camper's a couple inches wider than the other traditional R-Pods as far as body, not tire space. But that allowed them to put a regular awning on it instead of the Thule or an R-Dome. You cannot do an R-Dome on this model or the Thule. It strictly comes standard with this power awning. Power awning has an LED light strip built into the tube. You can kind of see up there. And it has adjustable arms that will allow you to tilt the awning for water runoff. The unit's going to have a little bit bigger axle. We'll get to that detail when we get over on the other side. You have your traditional 2 outdoor speakers, porch light, electric outlet, black tank flush to clean out the toilet system, double entrance step, large folding entry handle. All that type of stuff is basically the same. Now around to the back here, you can see the biggest difference of the shape part of things. It is a more flat back instead of rounded like the front was. So because of this, that again allowed them to do this bigger awning, but they also were able to put a ladder on the back of the coach. That ladder's there. You got your water heater, gas electric water heater on the back. It also has a 4-inch square tube bumper, so that's a little different as the other ones don't have that, and they just have the little bike rack hitch thing where the spare mounts onto. LED taillights back through here, your little black panel there on the right does access the back of the refrigerator for maintenance. Again, it had that bigger refrigerator inside. The furnace exhausts out the back right there. Power cord on the corner back here, again detachable. Cable and satellite hookups back there. Still uses the same Schwinn-Tech electric slide system, so that's the same as all the other R-Pod models. You have a gray dump on the back here, and a toilet dump up in front of the axle. So you have 2 different dumps for the 2 different tanks. Your freshwater tank fills right there, and city water connections are right there behind that storage door. We're going to go in here a little bit closer so you can see the Spec sticker here. Tells you basically your VIN number. So this R-Pod has a 4,400 pound axle. Gross weight 4,790 pounds. All the weight of a camper does not sit on the axle. That's what that jack out there on the front's for. It holds up weight. That's what it hooks to your car for. It holds up weight when you're towing it down the driveway or down the road. Basically, again, 195 has ST225 75 R15 D-range tires. Overall, this coach comes in about 3,500 pounds, 3,514 to be exact on this one, when it went across the scale with the options that were ordered on it. Another good improvement on the R-Pod, started in the 19.5 version, but basically with the 10th anniversary, was the Azdel composite sidewalls. Nice upgrade. You have fiberglass exterior attached to a Azdel composite panel instead of a Luan board. So if it leaks, which we all know RVs over time tend to have some water issues from time to time over the life of a camper. And if it does leak, it's less likely to have any type of delamination issues because there's no Luan board to rot and fall apart. So good feature on the sidewall construction. Definitely check that out more on the Azdel stuff. You're going to see your sticker here talking about Azdel, 10th anniversary, model number. Whenever it is ordered with the actual solar panel, it'll also tell you solar on board. Again, guys, be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you are interested in keeping up with more of my videos. Toll-free number 888-417-8299. Direct extension 203. I'm going to check out the roof for you real quick, just for a few seconds. Alright guys, I wanted to hop up here real quick and show you the roof. This is a PVC roof used on this model. Same roof used on the No Boundaries product. But here you can see the 110 watt solar panel mounted down to the roof the way they put it on from the factory. Your air conditioner, bathroom vent, skylight, plumbing stack vents, TV antenna system, the refrigerator vent there. slide out, but just wanted to kind of give you guys all an idea of what this looked like on top. It's a nice advantage of having a ladder. I could get up here and do this type of stuff and check it all out. Again, don't forget, guys, to like, share, and subscribe if you're interested in keeping up with more videos. CouchesRVNation.com.